Nikola Tesla, my favorite historical figure. In the vast expanse of history, there are countless individuals who have left an indelible mark with their remarkable contributions. Among them, Nikola Tesla, an inventor, electrical engineer, and futurist, stands out as my favorite historical figure. This essay delves into the life and achievements of Nikola Tesla, highlighting his revolutionary discoveries and exceptional character traits. From his groundbreaking work in electrical engineering to his unparalleled commitment to advancing humanity's progress, Tesla's legacy continues to inspire and captivate individuals even to this day. Revolutionizing electrical engineering, Nikola Tesla revolutionized electrical engineering through his groundbreaking inventions and discoveries. His pioneering work in alternating current, AC, power systems paved the way for the widespread use of electricity, transforming the world and powering modern advancements. Tesla's polyphase induction motor and his development of wireless transmission of energy showcased his visionary approach to electrical engineering. These transformative inventions not only laid the foundation for modern power distribution systems but also provided a sustainable and efficient means of utilizing electricity, leaving an enduring impact on the world. Unwavering commitment to human progress. What sets Nikola Tesla apart is not only his remarkable inventions but also his unwavering commitment to advancing human progress. Tesla firmly believed in using his intellect and discoveries for the greater good of humanity. He selflessly worked towards creating a wireless transmission system that would provide free energy to all, aiming to improve the lives of people around the world. His dedication to the welfare of others, without concern for personal gain, illustrates his exceptional character and strengthens his position as a visionary figure in history. Tesla's altruistic endeavors continue to resonate with individuals, cementing his place as an emblem of selflessness and the pursuit of progress. Visionary insights and futuristic visions. Nikola Tesla possessed a uniquely imaginative mind, which enabled him to envision technological advancements long before they became a reality. His ability to foresee the potential of alternating current, wireless communication, and electric vehicles was nothing short of extraordinary. These futuristic visions demonstrated Tesla's exceptional foresight and his ability to think beyond the limits of his time. His far-reaching innovations not only laid the foundation for modern technology but also laid the groundwork for countless future inventions, reflecting the visionary nature of his contributions. Enduring legacy and inspiration. Tesla's influence extends far beyond his lifetime, as his ideas and inventions continue to be instrumental in shaping our modern world. The foundational principles he established still form the basis of electrical engineering and power systems. His dedication, perseverance, and revolutionary thinking inspire scientists, engineers, and inventors even today. Moreover, his resilience in the face of failures and setbacks serves as a source of motivation, reminding us to persist in the pursuit of our dreams. Tesla's enduring legacy serves as a constant reminder that the power of ideas and innovation can reshape the world in unimaginable ways. In conclusion, Nikola Tesla remains my favorite historical figure due to his innovative inventions, unwavering commitment to humanity's progress, visionary insights, and enduring legacy as an inspiration to generations to come.